Hey guys, it's Tony W. I'm gonna go ahead and review this Schumacher rechargeable LED work lamp, which is really nice. This is really cool. It's really compact, so you could put this in tight spaces. So if you're working in your car, that looks really awesome. It comes with a micro USB charge port as well as a LED, which is green for fully charged and red for not, and so recharging. It also has a USB cord with it. There is a magnetic base on this, and the lumens on this is about 500 lumens on high and about 250 lumens on low, and it also has a 20 lumen front lamp, so you could actually stick this really close to something or further away from it. And the overall charge time is around 3 to 4 hours, but overall use time is roughly around about 4 hours on low mode, and high mode it's about 2 hours. Very good grip. It's a nice rubberized grip, and there is, like I said, a magnetic base where you can put things you're upside down or to the side and twist it 180 degrees so you can light something with it. There's also, if you don't have a magnetic surface, you always use the hook which is on the top of it in front of the thing and just hook it onto something. Very, very convenient, very, very useful. Can't wait to use this when I work on my car. Anyways guys, it's Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.